Hey, what's going down again, guys? It's your boy and family friend SM, and we back with another one. Today we're gonna be talking about a website called Wix and how to build your own website and how to get your own content out there so that people can come and you can build traffic to buy, to show people, or whatever you want to do with a website. Now, Wix site, we're gonna go over all the ins and outs, the pros and cons, and everything like that. And we're even gonna check out my Wix site and go through things like that. So hey, you want to stay tuned? Yeah. So anyway, Wix.com is an Israel software company provided cloud-based web development services. It allows users to create HTMLs, websites, and mobile sites through the use of an online drag and drop tools. Okay. Now, it was founded in 2006 by Tel Aviv Yafo in Israel. CEO Avishai Abrahimi. Now, its headquarters is in Israel, and the revenue they stream is about 1 billion USD. Now, Wixsite is an absolutely free for as long as you want. If you need professional features like your own domain name or e-commerce, you must choose from one of their premium plans ranging from combo to business VIP. The cheapest ad-free plan with a custom domain name costs $14 per month. Now, I've been using Wix for a long time, and I have to say I've been using the free plan ever since I started with Wix. Now, you get just a normal website with a free plan, and you still get a searchable domain name and a link to where you're going to. Now, if you have a big fan base, this you want to pay for the domain because it looks more professional, and sometimes it might have that little made by Wix on it or whatever the case may be. But honestly, if you're just trying to get people to see who you are and all that stuff, like starting out, I wouldn't pay for anything per month. But Wix site, you can download this app on Android or iOS, and you can easily drag and drop things to make it fit your screen. Make sure if you're using the computer tool that you're going in there and you're making the right adjustments to everything like that. Now, in another video, we'll be going over how to work Wix and all that stuff, but basically in this video, I'm just explaining what Wix is and how you can use this free platform to further your business, to make people and drive people to your website so that you can sell products easily and more business-like friendly. Now, what is Wix and how does it work? Okay. Well, I know you might think, well, we just went over this. No, Wix is a classic template website builder and an AI platform rolled into one. You can choose from over 500 industry-specific templates and make sure the use is an incredible drag and drop editor. Or if you prefer, you can use the Wix ADI and let Wix design a website for you. Now, we have to go and look at things and yeah, there's plenty other sites that are free and that might be able to use, but honestly, this is probably the best one that I've seen for upcoming or just starting artists. You know what I'm saying? This is pretty easy, and honestly, if you can make a website for someone, a one-page website, two-page website, basically with a link and who you are and a biography, you know what I'm saying? Then you're awesome. You know what I'm saying? Because that's what you really do need. Now, if you want to go in more in detail and make another page on how to on your products and shopping and your other links and all this other fun and cool stuff, then you can. But for me personally, I have a 3-page website. One page is a home page that tells everybody about me and about the company. The next page is the services that I provide with my company, and the third page is basically just photos and videos and stuff like that. So And honestly, I don't even think I need that third page. I could have incorporated the third page with the home page. But what is Wix website used for? Now, Wix is a free, user-friendly website building platform. We help our users to create amazing, professional-looking sites, which can be updated and edited with ease. No technical skills required. What's more, our sites are built to be search engine friendly. Okay. Now, here's the con about the Wix site. Wix websites load slower than those built on an HTML like a WordPress, and it will lose people that want to read about you. With a slow loading website, you'll be further penalized by search engines because you know that your site provides poor user experience and they won't want to vouch for it. Now, with all that said, I would say I've never had a problem where people were like, "Whoa, it loads too slow. I don't wanna wait." You know what I'm saying? I mean, there's some impatient people. Yeah, I get that. But for me personally, if I load my website, the videos seem to load slower. The pictures and the words and all that stuff pop up right away. Now, is Wix worth paying for a pretty small increase in a monthly cost? You can upgrade Wix, and it's worth it for more businesses, entrepreneurs, and freelancers. You'll get more storage space, and you can grow your website a lot longer and have people vouch for it. And you can connect apps that will boost your traffic. Now, we're gonna go into more specifics, but uh, we should just go to my other screen, and I can show you what Wix is and how we can go and get all this stuff and look at their website and see what's all good with everything. So if you want to follow me, so this is their front page. It's a Wix, basically a general homepage, and you can build your online presence and all that stuff. It's pretty easy to understand. Now, what you're gonna need to sign in and all that stuff is a valid email, um, and all that good stuff. Now, you can sign in with Facebook, Google, and pretty simple. You're gonna make an email and password, and then you're gonna basically that's it. So now they have multiple resources that you can do, like features and blogs and how to become a partner. Um, Now your growth can be like SEO tools. You can rank higher, Facebook ads, all this stuff that honestly I didn't even know about. Like, yeah, like the SEO tools. That's great for ranking higher in Google. You can put an ad on things so that it pops up first before anything. Like if they look up your site, then it'd be like boom right in your face. You know what I'm saying? But honestly, you can do SEO by yourself. It's not that hard. It is, but it's not at the same time. People overthink it too much. Basically, all you need is this right here, boy. This extension, and we'll go over that one day. And you can hire partners for business. You can create an online store and drop shipping. Man, that's amazing. You can find out about hotels, music. You know what I'm saying? All these business tools are available. Website design, website essentials, get a domain name, uh, can hire a partner. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go to my website, and I'm gonna let you guys see kind of what my website looks like and how it performs and all that stuff. So let's go to my link tree, and we're gonna go to my website and see what it's all. So right here on my link tree, I got like artist services for sale and stuff like that. Now, this is basically what it does. Now, this is a free built site, you know what I'm saying? But and I gotta revise this site because it's not up to date. But it takes you to all like all these links have a page. You know what I'm saying? That I made custom. Like look at this, boom, crazy, crazy, dude. Yeah, it takes you pretty much to all my links, custom T-shirts, all that good stuff. You know. So basically, I'm an artist. You know what I'm saying? So basically, just shows everything, and you can like all these buttons where it takes you all everywhere. You know what I'm saying? And it's pretty easy, honestly. But we'll go over that in the next video. I just want to show you guys what a Wix site is, and basically, if you guys need any of these services, let me know. QR coded business cards, social media promotion, website design, blog placements, custom t-shirts, features, mixing and mastering, intro videos, lyric videos, music videos, editing, you know what I'm saying? Cover art, branding, HD photo prints, YouTube banners, management, you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. But if you're an artist, you know what I'm saying? You're going to want to make all these a proficient business anyway. Now, with all that said, Wix is a great site. I personally would vouch for Wix and give it my signed bonus. Now, you can put any template to use, and you can even get them to create a site for you. Uh, Me personally, most people use the mobile. Everyone has a phone. Everyone's gonna use that. So you're gonna want to make sure that you format it for a phone. You know what I'm saying? And it's pretty simple. When we go in here, I'm gonna sign in real quick, and you guys can see like kind of what it looks like. Now, granted, it's taking a little bit to load because I'm running a stream right now, but this is yeah, you know what I'm saying. And this site was built a long time ago. You know what I'm saying. And I gotta update it. So I might do another video where I'm updating it and showing you guys the in and outs of it. And we're gonna go to my site. That was like the dashboard, so you guys can see like everything that's going on. And then I'm gonna select and edit this site. Now it's pretty simple to edit these sites. It's not hard, you know what I'm saying? It just takes a little bit of time and a little bit of effort, and you got to have all your links ready and all that good stuff. But pretty much it's pretty self-explanatory. You want to find anything like that? It's yeah. Now we're gonna go to edit site. And as it's loading, you can see that it's a completely free platform. It's not that hard to use. Website is beneficial for any company. You know, like a lot of people use Wix, and you're not even understanding who uses it. You know what I'm saying? Because like you don't know because they have a domain name. You know what I'm saying? And it takes the Wix site off of it. You can put your own spill on things and all that good stuff, and it's taking a lot to load, but we're gonna get there, guys. But yeah, basically a Wix site is pretty awesome. If you want to check out Wix site, there it goes. It loaded. So all these things are clickable and obtainable, and you can click on the background, change background. We're gonna change the background now. We're gonna change the background right now, and we're gonna show you guys how easy it is. Like literally, you just click on something and boom, you upload media, just like so. And this site was made when I was doing a different kind of music, but I still use it for a lot of stuff, so don't worry about it, man. Now we're just gonna pick a random picture. It's gonna upload. I'm gonna show you guys. Now we're gonna pick this and we're gonna change the background. Literally, it's that simple. Boom, and it changed it like that. Look at this. Everything's changed. Now, to make it permanent and all that stuff, you're gonna wanna publish it and all that good stuff. And I might work on it a little bit and show you guys how to properly do all this stuff, how to put your links in here and all that stuff. But make sure you go and check out the next video on how to build a website free from scratch when we talk about that the next time. But as for now, I'm just showing you guys a free website editor that every artist, every entrepreneur is gonna need, is gonna want, and it's gonna be beneficial to your brand and the person that you are. So don't sleep, guys. Stay in contact with me, and if you got any free stuff, man, you want me to review or anything like that, man, hit me up on the email, and I'll hit you back. I usually typically hit people back within 1 to 2 days, so don't get discouraged if I don't hit you up. But please don't spam me. Love you guys, and this has been a tutorial on what a Wix site is, how you can get a Wix site, how to is it free or not, and the pros and cons of it. If you like this tutorial, drop a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, drop a comment why and why you didn't like it. And then if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. I got content coming on the regular. I got over 30 plus videos ready to just drop any moment, anytime. So stay with me and stay woke. You already know. Peace out.